Want to make this Mother's Day extra special? Looking for unique and heartwarming decor ideas to celebrate the most important woman in your life? Whether you're planning a small family gathering, a garden brunch, or a grand surprise, I've got 10 beautiful Mother's Day decor ideas that will transform your space and make your mom feel loved and cherished. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal one simple decor trick that instantly makes any Mother's Day setup look stunning.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpedia, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I create a stunning Mother's Day table setup? A beautiful table setting makes the celebration feel extra special. Use a soft fabric table runner with fresh flowers for a classic look. Personalized name cards with heartfelt notes add a thoughtful touch. Gold-rimmed plates and delicate glassware instantly elevate the table's elegance. Which table decor style do you love most? Comment below and share your ideas. What are the best color themes for Mother's Day decor? Choosing the right color palette sets the mood for the entire celebration. Soft pastels like blush pink, lavender, and peach create a warm and loving atmosphere. Classic white and gold bring elegance and sophistication. If your mom loves nature, greenery with floral accents makes the space feel fresh and lively. Love these color themes? Give this video a like and share it with someone planning a Mother's Day celebration. what are some DIY decoration ideas for Mother's Day? Handmade decor adds a personal and heartfelt touch. Create a photo collage with memories from past Mother's Days. DIY paper flower backdrops can make any room look festive and elegant. Hand-painted signs with sweet quotes about motherhood make great wall decorations. Love DIY projects? Check the description for my favorite DIY Mother's Day decor ideas. What are the best balloon decor ideas for Mother's Day? Balloons add a fun and festive touch to any celebration. A soft pastel balloon garland makes a perfect photo backdrop. Heart-shaped balloons with messages like "Best Mom Ever" create a sweet atmosphere. A floral-filled balloon arch blends elegance with fun. Do you prefer classic balloons or floral-filled ones? Let me know in the comments. How can I create a cozy Mother's Day brunch setup? A Mother's Day brunch should feel warm and inviting. Set up an outdoor picnic-style setup with cozy blankets and cushions. Use a rustic wooden table with pastel plates and fresh fruit centerpieces. Add fairy lights or candles for an extra cozy atmosphere. Love the brunch setup idea? Subscribe for more celebration decor tips. How can I decorate an outdoor space for Mother's Day? If you're celebrating outside, make the space cozy and stylish. Hang fairy lights or lanterns for a warm glow. Use wooden tables with floral runners and soft cushions for a boho-inspired setup. Set up a DIY drink or dessert station with decorated signs and cute cups. Planning an outdoor celebration? Check the description for my must-have outdoor decor pieces. How can I set up a beautiful gift display for Mother's Day? A well-styled gift corner makes the celebration feel extra special. Use a decorative tray to showcase small gifts, candles, and flowers. Stack gift boxes in different sizes with ribbons for a stylish look. A small chalkboard or framed sign with a sweet message completes the setup beautifully. Want gift ideas to match the decor? Check the description for my top Mother's Day gift recommendations. These 10 Mother's Day decor ideas will help you create a celebration as beautiful as the love a mother gives. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for my favorite Mother's Day decor pics. Let's make this Mother's Day truly special.